My name is Aisha Ayub and I'm the Assistant Principal here at Eden for Teaching and Learning.
And I'm Nurullah Swati, the Lead Computer Science Teacher.
Welcome to Computer Science. Welcome to Computing at Eden Girls Waltham Forest. The aim of Computing at Eden is to ensure that pupils become digitally literate, able to use and express themselves and develop their ideas through programming, information and communication technology at a level suitable for the future workplace and as active participants in the digital world. I am Aisha Ayub. I'm the Assistant Principal for Teaching and Learning and the Head of Computing and Creative Arts.
And I'm Nurullah Swati, the Lead Computer Science and ICT Teacher. In Year 7 and Year 8, we focus on computer science, digital literacy and information technology. In Year 7, we cover digital literacy, e-safety and computational thinking, block-based programming with Scratch and Blockly, data representation, spreadsheet skills, computer systems and creative projects.
In Year 8, we develop these skills further by looking at algorithms, text-based programming with Python, data representation, how computers network and the World Wide Web, data modeling and manipulation, and then a collaborative project involving creativity and web design.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Maimuna. I am part of the Year 7 Physical Coding Club at
One.
I have coded a traffic light system. Let me show you how. This is the code I wrote to control the traffic light, and this is the traffic light in action.
Hi, my name is Zainab and I am part of the Digital Computing Club. Here I have created a digital buzzer using Scratch.
In Year 9, students start with algorithms, then they do programming techniques, creating robust programmers in computational logic, data representation, wired and wireless networks, software and network security. In the first term of Year 10, students learn system architecture, memory and storage, ethical, legal, cultural, environmental concerns, and then they start their revision and have their first mock, followed by NEA project, and then they do exam revision, and then they do mock 2 in February, after the February half term, and then they start for their final exam revision, and their final exam is in May. In the summer, after the final exam, they do physical computing, advanced GUI programming using Python.
A student told you can't run it in any programming language on a computer, you can use a placeholder. You write down the program, you write down the output, and then
Key Stage 4 BTEC Tech Award in Creative Media Production. This is another vocational creative option that we offer our pupils to study at Key Stage 4 in Year 9 and 10. This qualification is the equivalent of 1 GCSE and it's split into 3 components. Component 1 is all about exploring different media products, audiovisual, audio-visual products, print and interactive. In Component 2, we develop digital media production skills. This is where we bring the learning to life from Component 1. Pupils have the opportunity to take part in a wide variety of workshops, and then they could go on to create their own magazine publication. We start Year 10 by completing the work for Component 2, and then we move on to preparing ourselves for Component 3, which is a practical exam. We have chosen the interactive sector, so pupils have the opportunity to create a website, and the scenario will be provided by the exam board. Here are some examples of work produced in creative media for Component 2. You can see examples of mood board, logo designs and annotations, typography workshops, and on the top right hand corner you can see an example of Good Home Teens magazine, a piece of work that was awarded a distinction star last year.
Here at Eden, students take part in a lot of competition. For example, UK Berbers offered by the Oxford University. We have been taking part in UK Berbers for the last 2 years. Cyber First Girls competition, we have been taking part in this competition for the last 3 years, and we were the regional finalists last year. We also offer IDEA awards to students and Alan Turing encryption challenge offered by Manchester University.
We offer lots of enrichment, the Code Club, the ICT Homework Club. In the summer term, we run a physical computing term focusing on engineering, robotics and Raspberry Pi. We take trips to Bletchley Park. We have trips to the Microsoft HQ coding experience. We love to celebrate Ada Lovelace Day, and we invite external providers in to run coding workshops with our pupils. We offer a wide range of learning platforms because we strongly believe that digital technology is the way to enhance your daughter's learning. Your daughter will be provided with a Microsoft Office account, and she will extensively use Microsoft Teams and OneNote to support her in her learning. In addition to this, the school has paid for many subscription services to further support learning in different subject areas. Some of these are you can see on the screen above, from Britannica Learning to Artificial Intelligence through Century, Teach ICT for Computer Science, Hegarty Maths, Craig and Day Resources for Computer Science, and the more popular Seneca Learning, Quizzes and Kahoot, which are gaming platforms which enhance knowledge through the use of quizzes.
For the last 3 years, we had fantastic computer science results, and we have been ranked in the top 1% schools in the country. In GCSEs in the last 3 years, we had 100% 9 to 5 and 75% and above students have achieved grade 7 to 9.
That's absolutely a fantastic set of results. In creative media, we do very well too. We are ranked amongst the top 1% in all schools in the UK for this qualification. Last year, in 2019, we achieved a 3% distinction star, with over 55% of pupils achieving a distinction. 100% of pupils passed the qualification. We have also celebrated successes as the Cyber First regional finalist in 2019-20. We qualified to the second round for the UK Berbers Challenge, and many of our students were invited to the very prestigious TOC, the Oxford Computing Challenge. Several students qualified for this and took part in this competition last year. Thank you very much for listening. My name is Aisha Ayub. I'm the Assistant Principal here at Eden for Teaching and Learning.
And I'm Nurullah Swati, Lead Computer Science Teacher. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. See you in 2021.